If you're seeing a Monday.com access denied error, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get back into your workspace as fast as possible. This issue can happen for a few different reasons, including a temporary browser glitch, a session problem, missing permissions, an extension conflict, or even a VPN or proxy blocking the connection. The good news is that most of the time, one of these simple fixes will solve it. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software tutorials like this. Alright, let's get into the first fix. Start by refreshing the page. Sometimes Monday.com just needs a quick reload to reconnect properly, especially if the session timed out or the page didn't load correctly the first time. If that doesn't work, sign out of your Monday.com account completely, then sign back in. This can reset your session and clear out any temporary login issue that may be causing the access denied message. Next, check your permissions. If you're trying to open a board, dashboard, or workspace and you don't have access, the problem may not be your browser at all. In that case, you may need to ask your admin for access. If you were invited to the account but still can't get in, the admin may need to review your role, your board access, or your team permissions. Now let's move on to browser extensions. Some extensions, especially ad blockers or privacy tools, can interfere with Monday.com and trigger access errors. To test this, open your browser menu, go to Extensions, then Manage Extensions, and turn off any ad blockers or similar tools. After disabling them, refresh Monday.com and see if the error is gone. If it works, you found the cause. Another thing to check is whether you're using a VPN or proxy. These tools can sometimes cause Monday.com to block or reject your connection. Turn off your VPN or proxy completely, then refresh the page again and try signing in once more. If the error still appears, the next fix is to clear your browser cache and cookies. This is one of the most effective ways to solve access problems because it removes corrupted or outdated site data. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. Then select Cache and Cookies, clear the data, and restart your browser. After that, open Monday.com again and log in fresh. In many cases, this final step fixes the issue right away. If none of these steps work, the problem may be related to your account permissions or an organization-level restriction, so you may need to contact your Monday.com admin or support team for further help. But in most cases, refreshing the page, signing in and back in, checking permissions, disabling extensions, turning off VPN or proxy, and clearing cache will solve the access denied error. I hope this helped you fix the Monday.com error access denied. If it did, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.